3.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2.
Okay.
Out of 3?
Yeah, now it's locked.
Ah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice too. Thank you.
Mm.
And the bikini. We should go. We can go. We can go there. Kayaking.
Perfect, it's so fun. You should keep your beer on there. Because I don't want to waste it.
I'm not gonna
Keep
keep my
your beer. Can I?
I'm not keeping it. I'm not keeping it. You're gonna put me. You're gonna mess with me. No.
Give me beer. Okay.
I am not gonna let you mess with me now.
Okay, then I will
You sit.
sit here.
I'll drive you.
Okay. Faster, faster.
Faster. Yeah, right.
Alright, do you wanna sit?
No.
Okay.
I will swim.
Okay.
You take a video of me. Did I move?
Yeah.
I moved right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna live better.
You should try again on this. No, sit there. First in the air. Move your legs in the air. On your back. First on your back. Alright. Okay. You're coming. Okay.
So it's move my leg in the air, no?
Yeah. Be careful, there is beer. One, two, three. No, straight. Straight. Your legs are supposed to be straight. Lower. Yeah. No.
Can you show me again one more time?
Different way, opposite way. No. Oh. Inside. Move your legs inside. Yes. Slowly make your feet straight. 1, 2, 3, slowly.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Push. Push like this. Look. Ooh, hold on. Like do it fast. Like push the water. Yes. and then yeah, again. Yeah. Try. Mm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes. Right. Your legs straight. And oh, now you can train on this. So yeah, get on the tube with me now. And then try. No, you only. I will show you. Slowly, do it slowly. You see how I move? Yeah. Just with one move. Okay, wait. Now it's supposed to be 6 moves underwater for 25 meters. But this I don't know how many meters, 10 maybe. So maybe underwater it's supposed to take 6 these moves, 6 moves with your legs to cross the pool. But on the tube it will take even faster. Yeah, so yeah, but it's also with your hands, yeah, underwater, so yeah, it's different. So you can try.
Yeah.
And then slowly, do it slowly first, like me, to remember how to move. And then when you do it, then you can do it faster. Yeah.
From there.
Okay. Yeah, that thing is better because I cannot hold the camera for long. My hand hurts. With that holder it would be
it's technical.
much more comfortable. Yeah, because my hand already is hurting. Yeah.
Maybe you can switch.
Yeah, but yeah, I can switch.
Wait.
Without your hand, just your legs.
I'm not straight. Hold on.
Uh-huh.
I don't remember. And I'm not straight.
This. Can you see? No, you can't see. No?
I can't see.
You could see? Now you remember?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, better now. And when you do it 100 times, you will remember, and then you can start using your hands.
I'm not straight.
You can help with your hands, of course, now. Yeah, I mean...
What this Vietnamese girl taught me.
Uh-huh.
Called like chili salmon.
What is silly salmon?
Chili salmon is a cartoon.
I don't know. Do you know silly salmon?
It's a salmon.
It's a salmon,
Cartoon.
but silly. Cartoon.
You fall on your side.
You fall and you slide.
On your side.
On your side, show me. Just fall like this? That's cool. But it's gonna hurt a little.
That's why. You're silly. You're supposed to be silly.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can be as funny as you can. So that was the game. You
Okay.
be funny. Sit down.
Okay.
So the whole thing is you have to be silly.
What else? I don't like this thing. I like video.
You want the pool pillow fight?
Pillow
You can
fight?
fight here.
It's my favorite. I will win. Oh, it's too far. Nice. Oh, I think it's gonna be very difficult. But okay. Okay, and then you.
It's supposed to be difficult.
And then you.
No, then I will not drop. I will drop.
Ah, no, let's drop both. And then whoever finds first is winner. So, can you remove two? Okay. So I need to remove it. What if you're gonna do? Yeah, you have to see a little bit because I think it's gonna take forever to find.
Yeah.
What do you mean if you're not gonna see? You can even not find. Well, let's try to throw.
No.
No? You will find there.
No, we're going to pool. We're going to deeper.
No, here. Yeah, here. Somewhere here maybe. You can just.
In the middle?
Yeah, maybe you throw from there, I throw from here. But I need to remove it. Hold on. Can you help me because I can't alone.
You can adjust.
I need to unbend it first. But I can't do it alone. Yeah. Or you just pull. Yeah. Can you remove yours? So you are looking for this, I'm looking for that. That is one more difficult. I'm a bit blind, so I'm looking for gold, you're looking for silver. You stand there, that side. Just drop to each other or how?
No,
Or
we'll
stand-
destroy it. We'll destroy each other.
Okay.
It's underwater anyway.
1, 2, 3. It was so close and then I lost it. Because I'm blind.
I won.
Probably we lost one.
No!
I don't know where.
Okay, wait, don't move.
Oh, I found. I just
you
stepped on it. Ah. Yes, again, I don't need to even to dive. Like to. Yeah, I can just find it with my feet, it will be faster. But I don't see a shit.
I died.
Yeah. Yeah, let's play again. Then let's take here both and throw. Yeah, far. No, come to me. This side, that side. No, come to me.
I told you.
No, you come to me. You come to me. Come to me then. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm looking for this. It's
father, baby. It's somewhere here. I found you. Oh,
Wait, again, go.
Cheryl. Hold. Later. Let's look for your room. You didn't look where I threw,
I saw
but it
it.
was further.
Yeah.
We can look with your. It's not deep, so it's easy. Yeah, it's nice when it's deep, so you cannot do this.
Okay, hold on.
Found?
Don't move the legs. Don't move the water. I want to see.
Okay, but the water will still move because.
But I can see, but it's, just don't move too much.
Okay.
This is fine.
Ah, yeah, right. Actually. It was very
right there.
easy, yeah. Actually, yeah, if you don't move, it's very easy to do.
And the water should be still.
Yeah.
Somewhere there.
I see that line. That's a line.
I think I found it. Yes, I found it.
Wait, I want to see.
What the fuck? Get away!
Where is it?
I know.
Where is it?
Fuck.
I can't find it.
You did it purposely. Fuck you. I was gonna get it. You took it with your leg.
Yes, but now I lost it again.
Shut up.
Don't need it. I'm serious.
You're not serious, are you?
No, I see. I think I see. No. It's just something.
Babe, really? Really?
I will find. Chill. I think that we are playing again. Chill.
Alright.
Or do you think you lost it? You're painting.
Right there.
Huh?
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
I see.